What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing today will probably be a quick video. Today it's just we're doing an interior change. If you follow me on Instagram, I asked you guys what do you guys think I should do with the interior. I had some of the Dyna Performance in here. I ripped most of it off because it just didn't, the fitment was not good. The quality was great, fitment was not good. If you didn't check out that video, definitely check it out. I ended up leaving these on, just on the door sills. I think they came out pretty good. I'm just gonna leave those there, and then I'm going to take the Jeep to go get vinyl wrapped. So the interior is gonna change. I'm thinking about going gloss black. So this ugly silver trim that you see here, right here in the middle, I don't know if they could do the shift knob, but I do have plans for the shift knob. But this part over here around the navigation, maybe this trim around here. I'm gonna see if they could possibly do this silver line too that's on the carbon fiber, as you can see around. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm going to a place called Vinyl Kings. I saw them on Instagram. They're in the Bronx, so I live in Queens. I'm about to drive out there now. They told me a one-day turnaround, so I'm gonna drop it off. And I'm hoping they can cover as much silver trim as there is. I mean, the more I look at it, there's actually, you know, a decent amount. I don't know if they're gonna be able to get this around here. I gotta talk to them. I don't know if you can even get this little piece done. I'm not sure how it works too much. I've never tried to vinyl wrap, so I'm gonna let them do their thing, but I'm just gonna tell them what I want. And you know, hopefully they can do it all and make me happy, you know, because this silver trim is just so ugly in here. If you have a Jeep, I'm sure you agree. Everybody looks at different options. I tried the Amazon stick-ons over here by the driver vent. I don't know if you guys remember, but that just was ugly. So I think I'm just gonna go with the gloss black. I'm gonna see what other wraps they have, but I think just gloss black would be perfect. Just kind of black out the interior. I think I like that a lot. But I'm heading to the Bronx right now. I'm actually running late, so let me head there, and then I'll show you probably the place, maybe the drive there, stuff like that, and then I'll talk to you a little more. Alright guys, we're about 5 minutes away, so this will be the last time you see this ugly interior with these silver pieces all over the place. These should be getting covered too. I believe everything that's silver should be covered except the steering wheel, but everything else should be getting vinyl wrapped, so it's going to look totally different next time you guys see the car. As you guys can see, my battery was unplugged for when they did this. Well, I'll just tell you what happened. I mean, they wrapped I got the interior of my car wrapped. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. They unplugged the battery, so thankfully that kind of killed the O2 check engine lights for now. I'm sure they're gonna come back, but for now, remote start's back, and I can't complain. I missed it, so hopefully, I mean, I'm gonna cross my fingers. Maybe it'll fix the issue. I don't know, but you know, we'll see. I'm not positive, but let me show you what was done. This is all now wrapped in gloss black, and I think it looks just this is the way it should have came from factory. It looks so good. Down here they put the gloss black. They did some matte black around here. They did some matte black around here and around the trim of the shifter, which looks absolutely great. Then obviously the gloss black around the navigation screen. There's like a very shiny chrome trim on the carbon fiber. They ended up doing a matte black on that, which I think looks so good. They did it on that side. They did miss a piece here, and I didn't notice when I picked up the car. It was what's today? Today's Thursday. I think I picked it up on Tuesday, and it was like around 5 o'clock, and I was already beat. Like it was after work, and I knew I was gonna sit in traffic, so I literally just got out of there. I thought everything was done. I mean, I took quick glances. Everything looked great. I didn't notice this part, so this needs to get wrapped a matte black. Then you can see the gloss black also over here on the speakers on both sides. You can see it on the door trim. This is the Dyna Performance I still kept. I think it looks nice over here. They ended up wrapping the steering wheel also. So as you guys can see, this is usually silver. This is wrapped gloss black. I really like the way it looks now. It looks so good. Then if we open the door, you can see they wrapped around the speaker over here. So the whole front looks really, really good, besides this little part, and right here is starting to peel off. So they might have to redo this or just heat it up and kind of push it back in there. We'll definitely get that fixed. And then let me show you what the back looks like. So let me show you the passenger door. It's going to be same on both sides. They did put the matte black over here also. Looks really good. It's really sunny outside. Hopefully it's coming out good. Gloss black here on the door trim. They said they couldn't do the handles because obviously you're gripping that a lot, so eventually it would just kind of come off, which is fine with me. I don't mind. I still have the Dyna Performance here, and then you can see they wrapped the little speaker part over here, and they did the back speaker down there also. So that looks really good. Since I am taking it back, maybe I'll have them look into wrapping this part right here, this silver right here. I mean, that's not a big need. I mean, that's in the back seat, so for me, I don't really care too much about that. What was really bothering me was the inside. It is sunny outside, so maybe if I go like this, you guys can see that side better. So you guys can see the door handle is wrapped gloss black. You can see the matte black right there going across the trim. Then you can see the speaker covered right there. And then obviously the speaker at the bottom. And they also wrapped a little bit in the trunk. Let me show you that real quick. My car's an absolute mess, but here you go. They wrapped this part too. This was also like a chrome, I believe it was a chrome. So they wrapped this side, and the speaker in the back, and it looks really, really good. I love the way it came out. It's just a couple of minor issues that they need to fix. Hopefully you know, it'll be easy to deal with them. So let me show you the front one more time. So you see the steering wheel, gloss black, the interior. I do plan on changing the steering wheel in the future, so in the future that will get changed, but for now I love the way it looks. It looks really, really good, so I'm content with this for now. It's good. I just got to get, like I said, I just got to get this fixed and that piece right there. Those are the only two that are really bothering me, but otherwise these are also Dyna Performance. I kept these little inserts there, but yeah, I mean, it looks really good. So that's when that's down. The only part there is just a little piece of chrome right there, which is not too big a deal. They couldn't do the shifter. So the shifter, because of the way it is, it's not just a solid piece. It like goes inside and through, and they couldn't really get in there. He said it wouldn't look good, and eventually it would just kind of fall off. So I do have plans for a shifter. I will talk about that in the future. That will be another piece that changes in here. But otherwise, I think this is the way it should have came from factory. I mean, this looks so good. I love the way it came out. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is the way it should have came from factory. I don't know why they went with that cheap plastic chrome, the plastic silver look. They should have just had a blackout of the whole interior. I think it would have looked so much better. I know people like it that way. I mean, I personally like it that way. I mean, maybe some of you guys like the silver. Nothing wrong with that. I think they should just had an option. But then again, I didn't buy this car used. I mean new. I bought it used. So this is the way it came. This is the hand I was dealt. And you know, I decided to deal with it. I think it came out great. I have a couple of little mishaps from getting it wrapped. Hopefully the company will, you know, fix it for me. Easy. That's gonna do it for this video. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.